Ever taken a sip of alcohol and suddenly started sneezing? But why does this happen? This reaction happens for a few reasons. One major cause? Alcohol intolerance. Some people have trouble breaking down alcohol, leading to histamine release, a chemical that triggers sneezing. Another culprit? Sulfites and other preservatives found in wine and beer. They can irritate your sinuses, making you sneeze. People with allergies, asthma, or nasal sensitivities are more likely to experience this reaction. Even certain genetic factors play a role. Want to enjoy your drink without the sneezing fit? Try these tips. Choose lower histamine drinks like vodka or gin. Avoid sulfite-heavy alcohols like wine and beer. Drink plenty of water to help your body process alcohol. If sneezing with alcohol is becoming a real bother, it might be a sign of underlying allergies or sensitivities. Don't ignore it. Get expert advice. We hope this video met your expectations. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the allergy department at Enticare if you have any questions.